Hello, friends. If you are planning to launch a OTT platform or video streaming website, I got a perfect solution for you. To get these layouts that you can target any of these layouts, and this is a full-featured OTT platform, or you can say video streaming website, and the website has all the features that you may need to launch such platform. Right. So we have WowTube, OTT platform and video streaming WordPress theme in this video that we are going to review overview in this video. And yes, we are going to explore all its potential, how we can launch a website using this theme, and what are the customization options, how easy it is. And of course, the first step is to buy this theme at themeforest.net. But yes, you need to watch this complete video before you take your buying decision. And why it is necessary? So, without knowing the theme, without understanding the theme features, why you should select this theme or any other theme. So, in fact, at WP Themes, you can find hundreds of themes to choose and compare. All the videos are here. Themes, plugin, how to guides, everything is for you, and even instant support for your WordPress website. All is for you. And in this video, we have WowTube. So I'm happy to record this video. This is actually a new theme, and it came into existence just 3 months ago. And you are going to get a unique website using this theme. It is a future feature rich WordPress theme designed for OTT platforms, video streaming services, and content creators. And it offers 5 pre-made websites. So I've shown you these layouts. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do to install the theme, I'm assuming you have already taken a domain name and hosting. If not, simply follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website. You'll find all great hosting providers there. So I have this shared hosting, cPanel based, and I have already installed the WordPress core here. So in the theme pack, I got the installable theme file. Here is the theme file, which is showing 5.2 MB in size. The child theme is also included. One plugin, the core, and the licensing and demo data part is also here. Okay, great. So we can proceed with this. This is the installable theme file, wowtube.zip. To install the theme, we have to follow the simple and easy steps, and you don't need any developer support for doing all these things. You can do all at your own just by following the video guides. So the theme pack is wowtube.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It is a very common mistake that we have seen. So I'm sure you are a regular visitor to this channel and you are aware about the iCreate program where you can get all the supports from a mentor for your WordPress website. Here on the live chat, so the live chat is just a click away. You can ask any question related to WordPress website for free, of course. Okay, right. So what I did, so I have installed the theme successfully. Just in few seconds, we can go to the theme page just to check the details. So WordTube is here along with the default theme, and we can activate it simply. And upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. WordTube core is the core plugin, and the classic editor is here. Classic widgets, contact form 7 as well. Elementor is the page builder that has been used as page builder. MailChimp for email subscription, one-click demo import as name suggests, and the SVG is for email support. So all great 8 plugins. I'm selecting all, selecting install, clicking on apply. So this process, this step will install all the listed plugins here in a single click, likely. So let us see if it works properly. Yes, it is great, and I can see all green marks simply saying all the plugins have been installed successfully without an error or trouble. You can come back to the plugin installer screen, and this time we will activate all the installed plugins again in a single click. All good, all simple. As of now, all is going fine. So we can come back on the dashboard for the next step. Meanwhile, we will take a look of our website, how it looks with the installed theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic look, and it don't have any demo content. So we have 5 pre-made layouts with the theme WowTube, and you can choose any of these layouts, and you can check the internal pages on all the pages what is available here, like subscription, the menu, and all through the video description link. I'm going to add all the relevant links in the video description, so I'm not going to open these pages. You can do it at your own, but before buying the theme you cannot take the insights. This is what I am giving you, right? Uh, so the next step is of course going to be the importing of demo content, and under appearance I can see a link, import demo data, and here we can simply go ahead with the demo import demo data button, and on the next continue and import. So it is a very simple process. Now the demo import process is begin. The process connects the developer server and your installation to bring all the demo steps, and you need to sit tight while we import your demo content. Do not refresh the page or hit the back button. It is obvious. So you don't need to disturb this. Okay, so there was a problem 503 error. Okay, now the demo import process is going on. So I am using another instance, and I'll tell you the exact thing what I did. So this is the first instance where we got this error. Import failed. Yops, there was a problem importing your content. The error 503 is here. So I must show you the difference in the instance. So here the demo import process is going on, and I received the media items, 145 media items in just few seconds. So the process is still working, and this is instance 2 which I am showing you now, and earlier I used this instance. So the difference must be very clear. So site health is here. Just I'm showing you the difference why it happened, and it happens what I have seen uh, in my earlier experience. First thing, in the first instance, I was using outdated SQL server, which is being provided by the hosting provider. So I don't have any control on this. But the main thing, what is the difference in the instances? The server details can be seen. So this is Apache server. You can see the web server is Apache here, and on another instance where the demo is going on, I'll open the tools in. Okay, so all complete. Meanwhile, we discussed the issue. Here it got a success message. It simply says, congrats, your demo import was imported successfully. Okay. So meanwhile, I'll show you the difference. Go to the site health of second instance. Here the outdated SQL is not here. So SQL is updated. And the main thing, the difference in the server environment, the server is here, light speed. Web server is light speed in the second instance where the demo import got successful, where on the first instance, the Apache. So I have all the instances, all the environment, just for testing purposes. I have all types of hosting. So uh, it can be concluded that at the light speed server, it is the demo import is working fine, and I got a success message along with 263 media items here, and the success message I can show you here with all green marks. And the next step is of course to check our new website, and it is here. So the installation is very simple. I got all the uh, elements, all the contents here, and it goes without saying the demo remained successful without any doubt. So it is all here. And even I got the internal pages. I'll show you the internal pages first. So the movies, okay, great. So it is really a very good layout, and demo images that has been used is really very good. So it is matching the aesthetics of the design and all. Okay, so this is not a link. Web, web series I can see here. So it is all good. Watch now options, and it is playing some media that I can show you because this is a video. Right. all going fine. So you can start your streaming website using this theme, and even you can use the YouTube videos as in trend, and you can use selective videos, and you can launch your own OTT platform or video streaming website. Now I'm closing this first instance, which remained unsuccessful due to Apache or whatever, and I'll continue here, and I'll show you the all settings what I got in this installation, which is very important. So now we can talk to that you can go with the theme, and you just need to spend $29 for buying this theme, and in this $29 you are going to get the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6 month support from the theme developers, and the theme developers are Gramain Theme. Okay, and they are, you can check the portfolio here. Links have been given in the video description. It is important to buy the theme at themeforest.net only through the video description link, so that you may get all the supports, all the updates regularly. So you are here to get any support, you can fill the Insta up form at the WP Themes website. Once you buy the theme, you are entitled to get uh, all the supports, trouble settings, and all. And better, you can join on the iCreate program. Right. So we can come back here. Now, the first thing in the navigation, I can see the header and footer builder, which is in control of Elementor. So you can check what header or footer is being used at your selected homepage, and you can edit. Like if you are selecting this homepage, header is 3, footer is 5. So you can edit the relevant header and footer from here using the Elementor page builder option. It is very easy, like header 3. So you can edit with Elementor. Here you can check all the elements which is being displayed on the header, like the logo and all. So I'll show you. Okay, so this is header 3, and the spinner is going on. The navigation bar, you can change the main logo here, the side logo and all. Okay, it is very easy to edit, so I don't need to show everything. Next, we have the all common things as in WordPress, but the main thing is here, the movies, where you can add new movies for streaming. So you can add the movie title, Xcode, and the simple things, so that it may be displayed. You can create movies categories and the movie tags. Similarly, we have TV shows and web series shows. So all segments can be fed here, uploaded here. And we have Elementor, and if we check the saved templates, so home 3 and 4 is available here as saved templates. And how many pages we got in this demo import? So 15 published pages, all home pages had been given in demo. So you can use any of these home pages as your target homepage, right? And we have import, demo import under appearance, and the main thing, WowTube, which we may say the theme panel. So here we have very simple settings, like we can disable or enable the preloader. You can change the preloader name, the subname, or the background color and all. Further, we have the typography options, like if you want to change the fonts. So if the clicking on the typography does not open the page, what you have to do, just click on the typography and refresh the page. It will open the typography. So it is a very simple hack that you can use. So under typography, we have the header font, the typography, the load font, and the variant. Similarly, we have the set header and footer types, the breadcrumbs, header area, footer area. So like in the header area, what we can do, so the logo. So we can upload the logo directly from here as well. And similarly, we have the shop settings, the blog and all. So the very simple settings. So you can go for updating all the things, and for editing the content on the website, you can simply go with the Elementor page builder. So just open the page that you want to edit, hover on the respective section like header, footer, or directly on the page. So Elementor is very easy to use page builder. You can go with the navigation bar, or you can scroll the area where you want to edit. Simply click on the area and you'll be able to handle the content. So what you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, what has been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. All things are going to be simple, and what you have to do, you can simply buy the theme at Theme Forest through the video description link. Start creating your website. If you are facing any trouble, just in case, you can get in touch with us through the High Create program, and even you can write in the comments section of this video and how you liked this thing for your dream OTT platform website. Just let us know in the comment section. Let us meet in the next video, and I'm bringing more useful things for your WordPress website, business website, or the e-commerce website, everything. Let us continue creating. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.